Are you serious? Are you serious, guys? Got a fresh cup of coffee. Everybody calm down. Everybody. But there was a huge explosion of light that's captured in the heavens. The Russian satellite spotted a baffling burst of light above Earth that science can't even explain. According to reports, the Russian scientists say one of their satellites spotted this high-powered light explosion while flying dozens of kilometers above the Earth. They say that the mysterious phenomenon can't be explained by anything known to modern physics. Unusual space phenomenon have been detected in the Earth's atmosphere before, but a team operating this Russian satellite, named after the renowned Russian scientist Lomonosov, say these explosions are something entirely new. We do not yet know their physical nature, said one of the other head scientists of Moscow State University's Research Institute of Nuclear Physics, and he told that to the media. Matter of fact, this luminous flashes, these are normally explained by weather events, but the skies underneath the satellite were clear, with no storms, lightning, or clouds in sight. What caused the explosions is an open question. The Earth's atmosphere can be lit up by UV flashes and bursts of electricity, but these are usually associated with storm clouds. So these UV scope is designed to study powerful cosmic rays, including various light phenomenon, gamma rays, magnetosphere particles in the upper Earth's atmosphere. However, this doesn't prove anything, folks. It's challenging a task for them, and the atmosphere is heavily infested with miscellaneous flashes, such as city lights or airport, beacons or different rays of light like that. This comes from the Earth. That is different from the ground up. We're talking about flashes from the heavens. The story does come less than a year after the astronomers discovered dozens of exceptionally rapid flashes of light, which are unlike anything observed in space. The events resembled a supernova, the explosion of huge stars at the end of their lives, but are far more fleeting, visible for only a week to a month, and then they vanish away. So there's a really baffling situation taking place. One theory behind the finding was that the star, nearing the end of its life, was shedding massive amounts of material before its supernova explosion, but scientists will need more data. That's just a theory. So what was this light phenomenon over Earth, captured by a Russian satellite, burst of light? Now, we know that there's been sounds in the heavens, the sounds of the apocalypse. That's been going on, guys, since about 2013, or even 2012. I've covered that extensively, and we know people heard different sounds, and the Bible even says there will be songs heard in the heavens and booms coming from the earth. And this is all documented in Scripture in Isaiah chapter 24. That's the same chapter that talks about a pole shift and the earth flipping upside down from a pole shift. It also talks about great destruction and catastrophic cataclysmic events, including the earth reeling and rocking like a drunken man. Okay, so there's a lot going on. We're in the last days. The Bible even says there'll be great signs and fearful sights from the heavens. Jesus said that in Luke 21, verses 10 or 11. So look, guys, seriously, things are starting to manifest. Whatever's going on in the spiritual world will manifest in the physical. And you're seeing more and more apocalyptic signs in the heavens, prophetic signs, as the Lord said he would show us in the end days. He says that in Genesis chapter 1, verse 14, when he says there will be signs. He made the sun, the earth, the sun, the moon, the stars, for signs and seasons, for days and years. Those signs would be, of course, prophetic signs, or even feast days, or divine appointments. So all these things are coming. And remember what Jesus said. He said, as fast as lightning goes from the east to the west, so shall the coming of the Son of Man be. And he also said these words, I beheld Satan fall like lightning to the earth. Okay? So, there's a lot of apocalyptic situations developing now in these last days. You might want to give your life to Jesus Christ, get things right with God. We're truly running out of time. What did the Russians see? And what does this mean? I'll be back with more current